Most finance channels won't tell you this because their sponsors would drop them. But here at Mikimoney AI, we're all about transparency. Today, I'm going to test every budgeting app so you don't have to. We're talking real screens, real numbers, and real results. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools are worth your time and money. 0-30. The rules, what am I testing? Everything from Dreamina Seedance 2.0 to Pippit. How will I measure success? By tracking accuracy, ease of use, and overall impact on my finances. And what counts as success? Any app that saves me time and money without causing more stress than it's worth. 130 day-by-day testing. Let's dive in. First up is Dreamina Seedance 2.0. This app promises to revolutionize personal finance with its advanced AI algorithms. But does it live up to the hype? I set up my account and started tracking my expenses. The initial setup was surprisingly smooth. The app synced with my bank accounts effortlessly, and within minutes, I had a clear overview of my spending habits. But the real test comes in daily use. As I went about my day, I noticed that Dreamina Seedance 2.0 was pretty accurate in categorizing my transactions. It even suggested ways to cut costs, which was helpful. However, there were a few glitches. Some transactions were misclassified, requiring manual adjustments. Next, I tried Pippit. This app boasts a user-friendly interface and powerful budgeting features. Setting it up was a breeze, and the dashboard provided an intuitive view of my finances. Pippit excelled in simplicity and ease of use. The budgeting tools were straightforward, and I could easily track my progress towards my financial goals. However, the AI component wasn't as robust as Dreamina Seedance 2.0. It struggled with complex financial scenarios, leading to some inaccuracies. As I continued testing, I encountered several other apps. Each had its strengths and weaknesses. Some are great for beginners, while others catered to more advanced users. But here's where it gets interesting. There was one unexpected twist that caught me off guard. While testing a lesser-known app called NTE, I discovered a hidden feature that completely changed the game. This feature allowed me to automate my bill payments and savings, saving me hours each month. 7 o'clock. The surprising part, but the real surprise is coming. As I delved deeper into NTE, I realized that this hidden feature was just the tip of the iceberg. The app offered a suite of tools that seamlessly integrated with my existing financial ecosystem. It was like having a personal finance assistant at my fingertips. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Using these advanced tools required a certain level of financial literacy. For those new to budgeting, it might be overwhelming, but for seasoned users, NTE was a game changer. 8 o'clock. Final results. So, what were the final results? After weeks of testing, I compiled all the data and analyzed the performance of each app. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 proved to be the most accurate in transaction categorization, while Pippit excelled in user-friendliness. But NTE emerged as the overall winner due to its comprehensive suite of tools and hidden features. 9 o'clock. Honest verdict, would I recommend these apps? Absolutely. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 and Pippit are great options for different needs, but NTE takes the cake for its versatility and power. If you're looking to streamline your finances, NTE is definitely worth a try. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sisters' revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Was NTE the right choice for you? Yes or no? Comment your verdict.